Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to switch it up a little bit and just wash some of my dirty makeup brushes. So these makeup brushes has concealers, foundation, eyeshadow, you name it, everything above. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just wash the sink and just make sure that all of the dirt or debris or whatever the case may be that is in the sink goes down in the drain before I start washing my makeup brushes. So this is the Sigma 2X Spa Cleaning Brush Glove. Okay, so I got the pink one. I got this off of Amazon. I'm just gonna open it and show you guys what it is. It is a cleaning brush. It has the pamphlets of how to use it. Inside of the glove, it has this towel, but the towel is shaped just like the glove. So your hand is not going to get wet while washing your makeup brushes or even your beauty blenders. And I'm going to open the faucet, open the water, and just make sure that that soap is lathered and beautiful to get ready to wash the makeup brushes. So this is the Morphe foundation brush. Okay, I like this side of the brush, but I think the other side is more for foundation, bigger brushes. But it's doing the job at first, but I don't like the soap that I use, like the brush cleaner soap. I don't like it. I don't think that it took away the stain from the brush, but what I did was I kind of changed it a little bit and used Tide. Tide helped a lot with the staining and removing the oils from the brush. Okay, so I put the Tide on the glove and just swirl the brush around. As you can see, the brush itself, it's clean. This side right here it's the side that you're supposed to use the bigger brushes for. And I'm gonna rinse out the water a little bit, and you guys see that the brush is super clean, super clean. Yeah, so what I'm doing right here is I am rinsing out the water from the brush. So that part right there from your index finger and your thumb, it's the rinsing cycle. So it's like you're washing your clothes, but it's kind of washing your brush type of thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat the same step to the other makeup brushes that I have. Honestly, you guys, I feel like this tool, this item here, right here, it's a game changer and a lifesaver. Washing my makeup brushes is super fast. Like, I don't have to wash my makeup brushes for hours, you know, and it's helpful to me. It's convenient, and I really like it. I really like it due to the fact that it has like different type of shapes for me to be able to wash the smaller brushes from concealer to eyeshadow, and then wash the bigger brushes from foundations to contour brushes, highlighter brushes. It's very beneficial, and I love it. So you see the concealer brush that I just washed. Look how clean that is, you guys. Look how clean that is. And look how flat the brush is. It doesn't even change the shape of the brush. That's why I love this. So now I'm just gonna wash the makeup tool thing. I use this for foundation and concealer because I don't want to put it on the back of my hand, so I use that tool. Look how that's clean. Now I'm gonna wash the brush, wash the gloves. Okay, and I'm just gonna take out that dirty water and just rinse out the brush one more time, and then rinse the water out. Ladies and gentlemen, her. I got that from TikTok. All right, so this is how the brushes look. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. From the handles are all clean to the bristles are all clean and fluffy. They're not stiff and they're super like spotless. Okay, this is how you want your makeup brushes to look like after you're done washing it. I'm sorry, y'all, my son is next to me while I'm doing my voiceover. Forgive me, guys. But yes, this is how you want it to look like. So what I did was I went ahead and let that brushes air dry, and look how fluffy and beautiful they look like. They look brand new, you guys. Look at this, and the glove did not change the shape of the brush. That's why I love it so much. And everything is so clean, you guys. Oh my god, I love the outcome of this product. Now these are my clean brushes. So what I do is each makeup cup that I have, they have a specific there's a specific brush for that makeup cup. So the cup that I'm putting the concealer brushes in, it's strictly just for concealer, cut crease and concealer and eyebrows. And that one is for like eyeshadow. And then the other ones are just for foundation and highlighter and contour. So this is my brush collection. This is all the brushes that I own so far. Probably in the future it might get bigger, but this is what I have right now. So you guys, this is basically the end of the video. These are my clean makeup brushes. This is how I clean all of my makeup brushes. And yeah, oh, one more thing. So that tool, I have a specific place I put it. This is my vanity. This is where I put my concealer, well, foundation. Woo, child. I put my foundation, and I'm gonna put that there and close it, and then that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys all. Have fun, be safe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.